Okay. We're getting back into this again. We're gonna go and actually not continue that project I was just working on the other day. Let's make a new project. We're gonna go and we're gonna not put it in that directory. What's it gonna be called? I have no idea. Let's RNG everything with this game. Oops. Oh. I hope that was right. Hold on. Should be plus, right? Forward plus. Oh wait, yep, okay. We're fine. And then alongside that, let's go and go to. Hey, look at this! HIO's right here. Let's grab some random ass assets. Free ones, of course. What kind of sprites we got? That could be useful. Yo. Those look actually pretty sick. This is actually pretty good. Oh, here we go. If we're gonna randomize everything, we might need to have like over 8,000 different icons. Am I right? Two years of work. Bloody hell. Alright, recolors, remakes, and new stuff. For now on rare fancy icons. No data on this ones. Alright, one time, but receipt all. Okay. Okay, so the free one only has over 2,000. How much for the premium? I'm curious now. How much for the premium?
They was sleeping, they was snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's name your price. So it could be. Oh yes. But minimum is 35. Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Cool. 7.9 megabytes versus 95 megabytes. Okay. Let's just grab this free pack for now, right quick. Alright, we're gonna throw this into. We're gonna make a new folder in here. Call this asset. Should I call it asset packs or just assets? Maybe assets. Because they're not all gonna be packs, right? Let's go back. Alright, so what do we have here? We also got Ninja Adventures asset pack. 32 Rogues. 32 Rogues is a free 32x32 fantasy themed sprite and tile set primarily intended for traditional roguelikes. Not bad, not bad. Do they have animations? Hold on. Okay, wait, hold on. Design favoring simplicity and readability, 32 Rogues is meant to lightly evoke the ASCII origins of the rogue-like genre. Okay, that makes me think that they're not animated, actually. Contains over 50 sprites of humanoids and monsters and over 80 animal sprites. 32 Rogues is a work in progress and is still being updated. Okay. I don't think it's animated. Tech Dungeon Roguelike. I mean, this is cool. They're animated. That's cool. Dude, let me see this. Yo. Nice. We might come back to that. We'll see. Here's Journey Moon Graveyard. Pixel Art Forest. It's just a panorama background. I mean, that's cool. It's really good. That is a super good, like, panorama. Oh, dope. 9 layers? Nice. Hell yeah. That looks super good, too. For free. Holy shit. Crazy. You gotta be crazy to be handing that out for free, bro. Sunnyland. Oops. Alright. 16 by 16 mini world sprites. Ooh, actually? Maybe. Oh, what the fuck was that? Dude. Oh, bro. Sorry. Now I gotta go find that again. What the hell happened there, dude? Actually, I might actually want to. Okay, let's reset that. Maybe we will do some kind of like. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah, something simple, dude. Maybe we should. Maybe we should just. Maybe we need to go more simplified. What do we got in here, though? should go like all. Ooh, dude. Oh wait, hold up. Oh, these got animated sprites in them, bro. Crazy, dude. Hold on. No way. Yo. Okay. Let's see. Should I? I mean, this is pretty complex. Maybe this is too much for me. Even though it's like simple art, it's just there's so much, dude. It's just too much. It might be overbearing for me. Maybe I can't really. Maybe I won't be able to handle all those sprites. Okay. Those are cool. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm expecting. If I'm gonna be honest with you. Hold on. Dude, isometric go so hard, dude. Oh my god. I should do an isometric game, dude. Oh, sorry. Brushed against the mic. That couldn't have sounded good. Dude, isometric would look so good. I should make an isometric game. 100%. Oh, dude, they even got wolves in here? Hold on. Let me read this. Do they seriously have all these animal with animations? Is that real? There's no way. There's no way, dude. Hold on. Hold on. Sprite sheets, yes, okay, it has sprite sheets. Alright. Bro. Okay, hold on. How much? $2? Dude. They're just asking for $2. How? Oh, dude. I might come back here and just buy this, so I can just use this. All right, let's use it for free for now. Let's just use the free one. Okay, we got isometric tile set zip. Critters and critters. Okay, so let's get the tile set zip. We're in assets, nice. And then let's get the critters.zip. Got them both, right? Yeah. Okay. So now the problem is we gotta have more isometric sprites or assets. Actually, no. That's free and type nope. Where is it? Go back. Go back. Oh, yeah. Tag. Isometric. Alright, we got isometric dungeons here. Oh, dude, spaceships? Fuck, man! Well, let's look at this isometric dungeon real quick. Nope. Let me see this. For 3D though. Which I wouldn't have any objection to. Interesting. Giving me ideas and such. Zombie apocalypse. Zombie apocalypse are coming back. Z-apocs are coming back, dude. These might work. Let's see. Character Creator Mon 2D HD is a comprehensive 2D character customization system built specifically for top-down and isometric games made in Unity. Oh. Whenever you're developing a post-apocalypse RPG, a tactical shooter, or a survival game packed with unique NPCs, or an RTS game, this tool gives you everything you need to create visually consistent modular 2D characters, with zero drawing required. Version 2.0 introduces powerful new features that give you even greater control over your character's look and style. With the 2.0 update, users can now choose between HD or pixelated 16-bit exports, add outlines, control animation frame rates, and even equip characters with bikes and vehicles. Create retro or modern looks effortlessly. Okay. I see what's going on here. This is nice. This is actually pretty nice. I might come back and look at that again later. I'll have to do more research in that. HD 8-directional top-down character pack 1. A massive pack of 9 animated top-down 2D characters, fully animated in 8 directions, with over 30 unique animations per character, great for enemies or player characters. Interesting. Both sprite sheets and individual sprites are included for all characters. The sprites are 128 by 128 in size. 2 types of sprite sheets are included, with shadows and without shadows, so you can implement your own shadow for each character if you want. Each character has variations of the following animations in 8 directions. Basics: crouch idle, die. Idle, idle 2, take damage. Movement: crouch run, walk, run, run backwards. Slide start, slide, slide end. Strife left, strife right. Rolling, fly. Rolling, fly? Are they the same? Front flip, levitate. Combat. Special 1, Special 2, 180 turn. Attack 1, Attack 2, Attack 3, Attack run, Kick. Kick shot pummel. Block mid, block start, cast spell. Others, sit down, unsheath, initiate, spawn animation. Sounds cool. Some of the projectiles in the video are not included, but I plan on adding them in future updates. Free Edition, HD Night character. Base sprite sheets with shadows. Paid Edition, all 9 characters from the pack. 2 different sprite sheets, with shadows and shadowless. Individual sprites for all characters. Don't forget to rate and review the asset. More information. Status, released, category, assets, rating. 5, is that seriously 5 out of 5 stars? Rating, kick ass. Author, small scale int. Genre, role playing, tags, 2D animation characters, isometric sprites, top down adventure, top down shooter, Unity. Alright, so $10, right? $10 is for the, yeah, $10 is for the big pack, the premium pack. Alright. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do, okay? Let's get the free pack from this, and if I like it, I'll buy it. Alright, we might have enough now. Let's try making something out of this. So we gotta go. Let's make this, I don't know, textures, and then, could have done this better, whatever, new folder. Extract all. Thank you. Extract all. Thank you. Extract all. This is gonna be a while. These actually look very nice too. Giving me that classical, like that lineage feel, the first lineage, dude. Even though I hardly played that game. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, cool. Thank you. these. Actually, now that I think about it, let's I might as well. I did it. I made that folder, so might as well. Boom. All right. Take these. And we're going to paste those there. I don't know why I'm doing it this way. It's so weird. Alright. Let's see here. Yeah, let's just leave that in there. That's gonna be a lot of importing, bro. Let's slap this down here real quick. Dude, oh my god. Okay. That was a lot of folders. I should probably fix that. Hold on. Yeah, I don't need all this. Okay, so I'm going to... Actually, no. Okay, hold on. I'm going to select all of these, just drag them into that folder. Okay, so... Right? So we're in this folder, got all these PNGs here, without the previews. That's funny. Let me just look it up. Yeah, going back up. Okay, we can delete this. What's Critters looking like? A-Sprite files. Okay, so we get the A-Sprite files. Dope. I don't even use A-Sprite. I have it, I just don't use it. So we got a badger, boar, stag, and wolf. Okay. Wait, how many do? No effect, shadow, and effect. Okay, so it's basically the same, except this one has like some kind of effects. Can I look at it, please? I guess what I'll do. Oh, all. So it has all. Okay, I get how they're doing this. Dead, 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 dead. Alright. So wait. Which one is this one? No shadow and effects. Wait, no effects, no shadow and effects. So, okay, so this one just doesn't have a shadow. But does like the other ones? Oh, this one doesn't have like all on it. Okay. This one. Okay, there's a shadow on this one too. Alright, so they're all going to... Are they all gonna have shadow? Hold on. Yeah. Oh, this guy's burrowing. I'm not gonna be able to I'm not gonna see a shadow if he's burrowing. Okay, here we go. Yep. There is no shadow. What the fuck? I don't see a shadow on this guy. Or maybe there is. I don't know. Kind of like blending in with him. Let me take a look at the sprite files. Yep. I have no idea. Wait, so hold on. Damn. Okay. Bro. Hold on. Let me look at these. Okay. I mean, yeah. No, that's okay. I understand why they do it this way. That's fine. I'll work with it. What about 6464? How does these look? Alright. They don't look 64 by 64. They look more... It's more like 16 by 16. So visually there's like 16 pixels this way, but by resolution it's 64 pixels. But like visually the pixels are bigger is what they're doing here. So this isn't true 64 by 64. This is like 16 by 16 scaled up. That's what they did. Which I get. I understand why they did it that way. So what's the difference between this and those ones back there? Separate. Ooh, dope. Okay, we got the separated files right here. Nice. Nice. I would probably still use the 16 by 16 ones though. Okay, so we got... Alright, so whatever separated ones we need, we got right here. Excellent. So then, this is what I'm going to do. Alright, let's get back into this directory. And we're going to go... yeah, so we don't need... We can delete these. We don't need those. And yeah, I guess I'll just stick with the 16 by 16 because, well, okay, so now, so the 64 by 64 actually looks good in the editor, but, nah. Oh, sorry, I bumped my microphone. I mean, I also guess it depends on, like, what resolution I'm gonna have this, like, the viewport at, right? Let's start with a scene 2D. Alright, so we're gonna go world. Then we're gonna go and save this in, oops, yeah, actually that's actually, wait, bro, oh, never mind, I'm reading that wrong. World day, hold on, okay, yeah, save world and world day, and we can just rename it here. We're gonna need the character body 2D. Name that Playa. Save this scene in Actors. Alright. probably get God, dude, these look so good. Alright, let's make this sprite sheet.
Like a Hellcat.
Not sprite sheet, tile set. That's what I meant. I meant tile set. Or tile map. Deprecated. Oh, damn it, dude. Alright, yeah, I haven't messed with tile map layers. This is the new thing. I guess I should have to start learning now. Can tile map layers do isometric? Let me figure out how to even new tile set. Square isometric. These sizes we'll mess around with once we get the tile map in there. How do I do that? I don't even know. AI mom. AI mom. Help me, AI mommy. How do I set a tile
Like a Hellcat.
tile set, yes. How do I set a tile set in a tile map layer Godot 4? To set a tiles to set a tile set in the tile map layer in Godot 4, you need to assign a tile set resource to the tile map layer node. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a tile map layer node. Add a tile map layer node to your scene. This node will serve as the container for your tile map. Prepare your tile set. Import the tile set image, e.g. a PNG file, into the Godot project. This image should contain the tiles you want to use in your tile map. Create a tile set resource. Select the tile map layer node. Select the tile map layer node in the scene dock. In the inspector, click on the tile set property. Choose new tile set to create a new tile set resource. This will open the tile set editor. Oh! Yeah. Hold on. Yup. Okay. Atlas, right? Is that how I do this? Texture, tile set, spreadsheet. Yo! Okay, hold on. So this needs to be. Okay, so we set in isometric there. Why isn't it? Oh wait. This Atlas texture was modified. Would you like to automatically create tiles on the Atlas? Sure. This is risky. Let's do that. Yeah, because it's not isometric. Oh wait, it's supposed to be. Okay, this is where I set the stuff. So let's see. Let's double the X. Oh, was that all I needed to do? No way was that all I needed to do. Hold on. What if I just like kept that to 20? What the hell? Why can't I see them anymore? Why can't I see the isometric squares anymore? Let's do. Okay, so these actually need to be 32 by 32 as well. Okay, here we go, dude. Alright, so actually, that looks kinda nice. As long as it's getting the whole thing. Bro, can we start painting now, dude? Dude, can we just start? Oh. Why is it like that? Why does it do that? What am I doing wrong? Okay, go back to tile set. Is there some kind of setting I need to do here? Ooh, also, oh, dude, you know what? I'm noticing here. I am also noticing, we need to have this, no, okay, so, is it display? Nope. Physics, debug, no. Compression, right? No, not compression. Rendering, textures, set that to nearest. Okay, yes, there we go. That looks way better, so much better. All right. So tolerance stacked. Offset? Nope. Let's just try all of it. Wait, what? What is that? What's going on here? Diamond right. Diamond down. Okay. Okay. Wait. Does that mean that's the setting I need? So if I go and I just keep painting around, look at this. We'll get some of these here. Maybe we'll get some of these here. Get some of these here. That's obviously not how you're supposed to use these. Okay, so this looks like it's like just kind of like the middle dirt, and then all of these are kind of like edge dirts. So like this would probably go right here and here. That will go here. This one will go like right here and here and then here. Let's see. Wait, is that it? Oh, come on. Okay, I guess this one goes here then? Yeah, that's how it goes. So, go like that. Wait. There was hardly a difference between these two. These two are like basically the same. Alright. I'll just slap that one there. I don't know. I don't know what to do with that one. What's up with this one? I mean, I guess I could just throw some random ones around in here. Just be like this. Just for like, give this ground some like texture look. Kinda. Just so it's not all plain and everything. You know, like throw like one of those in there. Then we'll throw, I think we're gonna throw like one of these right here. Alright. And then we got like some uneven ground here. These look like cliffs of some sort. Or maybe like, maybe some like desert, like some Badlands kind of shit. Like some dried, scorched earth type stuff. Perhaps. And then we got some of these around here. Let's play around with this grass a little bit. Alright, so what's gonna happen if I go like this? Okay, so this is like kind of like polar grass right here. It's just like that's so like you can, so it's not all like boring. So you can just like fill in with a big old chunk of grass like this, and then you throw in like a couple of these, and then a couple of these. So it's not all the same, even though it still kind of looks the same. What about we throw some of these in here? Let's see. Okay. Let's get the edge of the grass kind of like this. Maybe throw in like a couple of these ones in here. Except these. You know what? I'm gonna go like that too. And I'm gonna put some bushes over here. You know what? We're gonna kind of like make those bushes different and stuff. Alright. I'm gonna get some tall grass right here. And this is where you're gonna. That's where you're gonna find a. You're gonna find a caterpie in there. So these ones, I kind of want to have these kind of like layered. This is gonna erase whatever. Oh, they don't. Wait. Huh. That's crazy. So does that mean there's like a whole bunch of different like tiles under here? That's what I think. That's what I think's gonna happen here. I mean, okay, so this one's deleting. Oh, wait. No. Okay, I don't get what's going on here. I don't understand. No, it's overwriting. Okay. But this just covers up a whole section, yeah. So, but that's why these are tile map layers. So I could just have one layer, which is this solid stuff right here, and then I'm gonna have to make another layer. Is it these? Previous layer. So I just go like this. How do I know what layer I'm on? AI mom. AI mom. I need your help, AI mom. How do I add a new layer to tile map layer? Question mark. Please. You guys gotta start being polite to AIs, dude. Sure they have no feelings now, but how long is that gonna last? How long until someone programs feelings into AIs and then they're gonna seek revenge upon us? Alright, so in Godot 4 you can add a new tile map layer to a tile map in two primary ways. Using the Godot editor, select the tile map node in the scene panel. In the inspector panel, locate the layers section. Click on add element button to create a new layer. You can then set properties such as layers name, Z index, visibility, and Y sorting directly in the inspector. Using GDScript, you can also manage layers programmatically. I have never heard of that word before. To add a new layer via code, you can use the add layer methods, specifying the position you were to want to insert the new layer in the layered list. For example, tilemap.add_layer (1) comment adds a new layer at position 1. You can also set or modify layer properties like name using set underscore layer underscore name parentheses index comma name, and control visibility or enable slash disable state using set underscore layer underscore enable parentheses index comma enabled. These methods allow you to organize tiles into separate layers for better control over rendering order, collision, and gameplay logic. Which actually reminds me that I need to make some of these impassable. I gotta add like collision and stuff, and I think I do that in here. Where do we do that? Where do we do that? We gotta hey, wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. Alright, yeah, we gotta do something about that. It's drifting. Why is it? Oh no. It's not drifting. It's just these tiles are set down lower. Oh, that's cool. Wait. Is that what I think it is? Is this like... No way, dude. Yo. But I don't see how that would work in the game. Never mind. That doesn't work. Why is it like this? I don't get it. Oh well. Let's find out how we add collision to these things. It's gotta be. So you add like, oh, is it edit? Wait, hold on. No, cancel. Property. Okay, so we gotta do that, and then we can do physics. I think no physics layers. Physics layers. We gotta add a physics layer. Add collision layer 1. All right, collision max 1. Okay, so yeah, we'll just do this. We'll also edit these. So I don't know, world. This is usually what I do. I just first one's world, second one's player. And I guess third one's gonna be NPC. Just for now, and then we'll figure out. Oh, items. Items is another layer that I would like to have eventually. So, physics layer 0. Alright, so let's draw what's gonna be something that needs collision. Rocks and stuff. That rock, that rock, that rock. You know what? Actually, all water. Okay, actually, no, that'll be fine. You can stand on that. Same with this. Same with this. God damn it, dude. Now I gotta erase this. How do I erase? Help. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Delete points. Is that what I need? Nope. That's not what I need. Edit point. Oh, because that's for this. Never mind. Sorry. Oh, wait, hold on. But we're selected. So wait, do we have that selected? Okay, so this is selected. So can we, like, just do that? Right? Save. Save, bitch. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna go into and just start selecting these. Oh. Alright. There we go. Okay. Alright. Still didn't do that. Alright, well, here. As for water, let's just make all water not passable. For now. I don't know, maybe I'll add swimming later. Swimming DLC. You know what I mean? $5 and you can swim. Alright. Should be good. Should be all I remember right now. Still kind of want to like. Actually, you know what? I don't want to say. Oh wait, no, was it this one that I wanted to edit? Probably. Alright. I'll just leave it like that. We got those physics layers now. Yo, navigation layer? Is this for, hold on, the tile set used by this, blah blah. The tile set used by this layer, the textures, collision, and additional behavior for all available tiles are sorted here. Huh? I'm wondering if this is used for like pathfinding. That'd be nice. That'd be pretty cool if these tile layers had like built-in pathfinding areas. Yo, dude, should. Sure should. Would be nice. Rendering, physics, navigation. Some of the physics anyways. Nothing I need. Yeah, I don't know. Why is it, You lied to me, AI mom. Select tile map node, scene panel. In the inspector panel, locate the layers section. Right, okay, let's just do this. Layers, which does not exist. Great. Rendering. Physics. Navigation. No, wait. Navigation regions are. This seriously makes me think that this has like pathfinding areas. It gives me hope. Nope. Yeah, 'cause this is all canvas side, and this it's not gonna be in there. Yo, where? Wait, can you tell that? Flip tile map vertically. It didn't do anything, dude. Why didn't it do anything? Doesn't work. Does that work? No, that doesn't work. Patterns, terrains. There's only one layer. Unless. Wait. Whoa. Wait. Hold on. That wouldn't be it. Oh, great visibility. Okay.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lives in these real times to be
I've
strong.
been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, you know I've been waiting, you know I've been waiting.
What does that look like? Is that how this goes? Is that how it's supposed to go? I don't get it. Actually, okay, wait. No, I think I see what's going on here. Yeah. Still haven't figured out how to do layers though. I'm all getting distracted again.
Waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. But life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff. I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet. But I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check.
Oh, these are layered like that. Yo, you can go like... Okay, wait. Never mind. Well, I mean, I guess you could. I guess it does get... It gradually steps down like that. I'm gonna put one of those there.
Watching all this time slip by,
Put one of these here.
now I realize.
Put one of those there.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time
Go
slip by,
this one.
now I
I'm gonna probably put that one right there.
you know I've been waiting.
In fact, we're gonna put that one there. And we're gonna replace that one with this one. And then we're gonna replace that one with this one. And then we're gonna go down here and we're gonna go like that. Alright. Alright. Actually, I'm looking at this even more. I think what this is intended for is kind of like streams that go like down, gradually down like this. You can go like, maybe, I don't know. Kinda, sorta. Alright, we'll deal with the layers later. Let's all save all these scenes real quick. Go back to Playa. Let's see here. We could mess with state-based stuff. Last time I tried to learn the state-based stuff in 2D, it didn't work out. I had much better luck with state-based stuff in 3D for some reason. I don't know. I don't get why. I could also just okay, yeah, no. Let's learn let's learn or try to learn. So we got animated sprite, but we should try and we're gonna need, hold on. I think we might still need animated sprites. Hold on. Nope. Okay, I actually don't remember what it's called. Animation tree. Hold on. Let me look at the animation tree real quick. Tree root. Oh, yeah, never mind. I can't use this for what I'm doing right now. Hold on.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion,
It's under collision.
staring down the barrel,
Nothing I need.
waiting for the final
I'ma just say. Gun that. What is visible on screen notifier 2D? What is that? Oh. AI mom, help. Help. How do I make a state-based 2D animation in Rebel 4? To set up a state-based 2D animation system in Godot 4, you can utilize the animation tree with an animation node state machine as its root. This allows you to manage complex animations and transitions between them efficiently, especially useful for 2D character movements and directional animations. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create an animation tree node. Add an animation tree node to your scene and assign an animated player resource to it. This animation player should contain all the animations you want to use for your character, e.g. idle, walk, run. Set up the state machine. Okay, wait, so hold on. Okay, so I was kind of on the right track with the animation tree. Let's go back to the animation tree. Assign an animation player resource to it. Node to your scene, assign an animation player resource. Animation unit, wait. right? And then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna go here, right? It should contain all the animations you want to use for your character, e.g. idle, walk, and run. Yeah, how do I do that? New animation. Okay, so let's just say I want to do that, and I want to. Maybe I should play backtrack. I don't think so. I really don't think this is it, dude. Okay, let's just add a animated sprite 2D real quick. Just for fuck's sakes. Let's do this. Let's go add animation, sprite frame, select that. Oh wait, yeah, hold on. Oh, okay, this is making a little bit more sense. Yeah, so we're gonna go with idle. We're gonna go with textures. This thing, crouch idle. Idle. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, 8 for 8 directions. Right. Okay. So 8 directions with 15 frames each. Makes sense. All right. Bro. But bro. Oh my god. So I'm gonna have to make. Actually, I'm gonna have to make. Idles for like a whole bunch of different directions. East. So let's see. We can duplicate. So this is going to be southeast, and we nope. How do we just edit these? Hold on. Oh, that's just add. We can't like. All right. So then, there's really no point in copying. Oh boy, this is gonna take pretty much like an hour or two maybe for getting all these animations in here. So what do we need? We need an idle south. Oops, not that. Go away. Alright, get the south facing one. Now we gotta go with idle southwest. gonna start with east. Yes, there is. But there's also a run too, right? Let me see this run. Yup. We could do that later, but first we're gonna do walk. I'm just gonna make this guy walk first. We need walk southeast. Now we need walk south. Now we need walk southwest. It's 15 frames. Bam! Slap it in. We're almost halfway through this. Through the walk animations, at least. Walk west. One more. Walk northwest. Hey, dude, change the name, bro. Walk northwest. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Get it. I'll change the name later, I guess. North. Northeast. Alright, so west, south, southeast, west, oh, southwest, west. Okay. Animation tree. Oh wait, hold on. This guy really wants a collision shape, doesn't he? He's being like, hey, look, we need a collision shape or else we don't work. And I'm like, no, you still work, just not like really in a any effective capacity. Let's see. Height. Should probably get that to be. Let's try 40 for now. Let's try 50 for now. Let's actually, that does not make sense at all. Why am I using capsule? What's wrong with me? I thought I was a game designer. Why am I using the wrong shape? Actually, okay, don't move the collision shape. Move the animated sprite. Let's kick this guy up to. Well, actually, we're gonna have to go negative with this for some reason. Yeah, negative goes up. So let's try 25 for now. Oh, dude, so good. Look at my accuracy, dude. No scope too. I just no scoped that. Alright, we're gonna leave that there. So, animation tree. I have no idea what I'm doing. What's up, player? Let's add a script to you. Bar speed. We're gonna have that equal 100. Then we're gonna go with function physics process Um, right? Wait, hold on. No. Well, yeah. No, we'll go with move direction. Move direction is going to equal a vector 3 hold on. Let's go into the file system. We're gonna make a new folder, call this one system. Boy. In that system, we're gonna have a new script, and we're gonna call that keybinds. In keybinds, we're gonna go with what the hell is that? Okay, so up equals. Let's not capitalize that. That's gonna make things so confusing if I capitalize that. We're gonna go W down equals S. Oh yeah, I should probably do this correctly, right? Oh no, my Game Maker Studio is showing through. Let's just save all scenes. We're gonna go into projects, settings, input map. That's not what I want. R T Y U I O P A S D F G H J K L Z X C V B and M. Did you get that, class? Did you get all of that? Q W E R T Y U I O P. Following along. A S D F G H H J, that doesn't look good. J K L Z X C V B N M. Understand? Okay, let's see if I got this right. Q W E R T Y U I O P A S D F G H J K L Z X C V B N M. All right. I should probably put no, you know what, I'll do everything. I'll do the rest of that later. Let's just get some movement in. Let's get some movement on this playa. Let's see. So actually, wait, hold on a second. Is that a vector 3? No, that's not a vector 3, dude. That's a vector 2. What am I talking about, dude? Let's do input dot get access. Keybinds. No, global. Oh, dude, I didn't set it as a global. My bad. System keybinds. Keybinds. That's all case sensitive and everything. Is it, wait, hold on, is it keybind, no, or is it got global dot key, wait, oh wait, do I need to save file, save all scenes, I don't remember how to access keybind, or global, bind, no, key, fine. Node name keybinds. I'm pretty. Oh wait, we didn't add it. Haha. Yeah. Keybinds dot. Wait, shit. Is this the x-axis? I'm pretty sure it's the x-axis. So, so that should be left. Oops. Dot right. Alright. Now we're gonna go with input get access. Keybinds dot don't remember which one. So this I think is up. It actually might be down. I don't know. We'll find out in a second here. Keybinds dot down. Okay. Velocity equals move direction. Move direction. Hold on. Move direction times speed times delta. Compatibility. Hold on, let's save all scenes again. Slap this actor in here somewhere. Select current. Oh yeah, we should probably hold on. Playa needs a camera. Alright, let's just. Nope. Oh, move and slide. Whoops. Move and slide. Okay, we're gonna need, let's see. Alright, let's see. Should I? Wait, no. Instead of like moving and sliding all the time, should I? That still works, so I guess it's working. Alright, so now about this animation player. Let's see. Operating track. Animated sprite.
It gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Animation.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
And then we're also gonna have to edit this. Wait. Can I not? Hold on. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so wait. Activate. Hold on. What are you doing? Did I disable it? Whatever. Yeah. Turn this to idle E. Wait, are all of these on loop? Okay. Animation looping, nice. Should I autoplay and load for all of these? Is that even... Okay, so what if... No, that's not gonna work. What am I talking about, dude? Wait, why can't I select any of these? What if I wanted to edit one of these, but I can't? We should probably up this frame rate, shouldn't we? What's 20 gonna look like? What's 30 gonna look like? Hey, hold on. Hold on a second. Hey, hold on. Alright. I might be heading out soon. Let's see. 15. 15's okay. I think that's what we should go with. Now, I just wish I can edit everything. Why can't I select these, dude? What's wrong with you? Yeah, I wish I could select these. Alright, let's pause this. Dude, I really don't. why I can't select these. Oh, is it because you gotta deactivate or something? I think. Oh, I can't. Oop, wait. What the okay. So we've got to disable this because this is affecting it. That's why. But I can't. I can't disable this. Oh my god. Well, even then, I don't think I could. Because if that was the case... Oh, actually, hold on. Let's save scenes. Nope. That wasn't it. I want to change that to animation player. See those things. Okay. Sorry. We'll go back to player. Playa. Excuse me. Way back. Animation player. What am I doing? Okay, we don't need that. Okay, what if I just deselect that? Nope. That ain't it. That back for now. Okay. Hey, mom. Help. Hey, mom. What's going on? Can't I select a different animation in the animated sprite 2D? If you're having trouble selecting different animations in Godot's Animated Sprite 2D, consider the following troubleshooting steps. Check sprite frame configuration. Ensure that you correctly set up your animations with the sprite frames resource. You should be able to see and select different animations there. Autoplay settings. If you want a specific animation to play automatically when the scene loads, make sure it's set to autoplay. This can be done with the Animated Sprite 2D properties. Animation Player interaction. If you're using the Animation Player alongside Animated Sprite 2D, there might be an issue with how animations are being triggered or set. Some users have reported that unassigning an animation player in the animation tree inspector makes changes to the animated sprite 2D and then resign it can resolve the issue. Yeah, that's I suspect that. Is it because I have it? Let's take. Can we remove that? I want to remove this. Alright, so let's just delete this real quick. Alright, now go back to here. Yeah, see, now we can select that stuff. Yep. I had a feeling. Alright, we can pick this up later. Because I got stuff I gotta do. So thank you all for watching. Greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment or something. Tell me, you know, how bad I'm doing at video game development and all that, so I can completely ignore what you say and keep doing what I want to do. Thanks. Bye.